Hey stock traders, Johnny Red here, and today we're going to do a 2-minute breakdown with TradingView charts on stock ticker SPCE. Yes, that's correct, Virgin Galactic. This was requested through both the Facebook groups that we do a bullish and bearish levels breakdown for this. So keep in mind earnings are February 24th, so let's get into it. You can see right here, everybody, I got the Blackbox pulled up. This is not alerted as a swing trade on the TT Blackbox via our algorithms. So this is going to be strictly a levels breakdown based off my strategy. So everybody, here we go. We got the TradingView chart pulled up for stock ticker SPCE. As you can see here, I got bullish and bearish lines broken out. I got the bearish line right here at the 844 range. If you go over here to the 4-hour chart, you can see that the last time it was down here in this range was back in the end of 2019. And then kind of a target range would be like the 17-15 range, and that's the lowest it went. And once again, that it hasn't really been down to this 845-44 range since 2019. You can see first quarter of 2020 it got down to about 930. So that's where we come up with the bearish side of it, is based off those long out levels back in the day. So plus the market pretty much kind of SPY and everything just kind of destroyed itself today, came down a whole lot. So we could continue to see some bearish movement tomorrow. We'll see what that happens. But for the bullish range, I would look to enter this at the 1150 mark as a bullish trade. That gets us back above where we were pretty much in that range where we were trading prior to about a week ago. And you can see at the 1150 mark, that's the range before we had this big drop back on the 13th that we were trading between the 1150 and the 1260 range. We couldn't break below 1150 and we couldn't break back above 1260. So that's where I got my entry at the 1150, looking to play that for a first target at that 1260 range, for the simple fact that we couldn't break it the last time we were in that range. And then of course the next range, basing it off the same strategy. If you look, all these times that we were trying to break below this 1375 mark, really never could. Of course, we did break it here, and for about a week we kind of traded in that range between 1260 and 1375. So from 1375 we would be looking for the 1475 range, because for about 3 weeks we traded in that range. And then 1640 is that next upper range. So that's basically kind of the strategy I look for. I base my strategy off trading for the ranges that if we're looking to go bearish, what range we couldn't break below, and that's what I want to see broken before I enter. Same thing as bullish, what range could we not break above to get through that. So I'm not using a lot of different technical analysis and all these indicators and stuff. I'm using swing trade alerts for the breakout line, just so that I know where the major breakout would be. Right now, if we were to be able to get up here to this 1530 range, we would be expecting a major breakout. But that's all. I mean, everything else is kind of just off repetitive price action. So that's how I trade, and that's how I'm successful. So we're looking at the 1150 range for bullish, then from 1260 to 1640. And if you're looking to take this bearish, you would want to wait for that 844, 845 range to break, and then take it to 715. So with that being said, folks, this is stock ticker SPCE. And as always, base it's pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.
Amazingly simple.